What's up, it's INF here with Unison, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 trap beats for artists like Future, Ray Shrimmet, and Migos with Unison's beatmaker blueprint. Let's get it. Alright, let's get straight into it, man. Melody loops, we're going to go to trap, audio loops, and also while I'm doing this, comment your 3 favorite trap artists you're listening to right now, or it could be new or old, doesn't matter. Let me know. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's hard. I mess with that. Okay, let's get these stems, man. Bow. And slap them into the ableton like that. Alright, now let's get these drums. Trap, combination loops, audio. Come on, man, here we go. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. Vibe. Oof. 808 is crazy. In this part here. Hard. Hey. Oof. Okay. Let's get these drums, man. Bow. Yes. Yeah. Hey. That's hard already. That's crazy. Alright, let's take out this whole section here. Bow. And this one as well. Bow. Just gonna bring these closer together. Cool, so now it goes like this. That lead is crazy. I'm gonna insert some time. Drag this here. Yeah. Hey. And now we can go to the effects and miscellaneous. Ooh. Alright, let's add this in. So, new audio track. Let's add this in here. Reverse it. Bring it back just like that. Turn it down. You know what? Let's chop this up. Here we go. Hard. I'm gonna check out melodic shots. Add a little something extra. Who are your favorite or go-to producers when you're like trying to get inspiration to make a beat or something? Mine would be, I like that. Mine would be like for trap producers, probably Michael Made It, Metro Boomin, Manny Fresh, Wonder Girl, Shorty Red, TM88, Wheezy, man, we can go on forever. All right, let's add this in. See what we can do. All right, let's record that. Got an idea. Woohoo! I think I messed up that last note, but let's fix that. Just bring it down to here. Quantize it all. And let's see what it sounds like. Get rid of this. Here we go. Hey. Not bad, not bad. Okay. One more time from the top. And we'll move on to the next beat. Let's go. Let's actually take it down to 85. Hey. Hey. Yeah. I'm gonna take out some of the slow rumble out of that melodic shot we just recorded. Hey. Bring up the highs a little bit. Let's move on to the next beat. Let's go. Beat number 2. Let's go. Audio loops. Trap. And we're gonna go crazy. Let's go. Hey. That is... Bro, what? Oh. Meaning. Hopping and zapping and rapping and zapping and rolling. Hey, rapping and zapping and running. Hey, moving and zapping and running. Oh, nah. Come on, man. Let's go. MIDI and stems. And let's throw those in there. We ain't wasting no time right now. Drum loops. We're gonna go to trap. Combination loops. Audio. If you don't have the Unison beatmaker blueprint right now, just stop this video and just get it now. Love those snares. Yeah. Bro. No. Come on, man. Let's throw those in there. Yes. Hey. This beat is stupid, bro. I can't even think. Let's check out the perks. Let's add something in there. Oh. All right. New MIDI track. I'll throw that down here. Ooh, all right. We're gonna keep it simple. Let's just turn that up a little bit. About to OD on these gummy bears, bro. Okay, let's duplicate these. You know what? Remove the bass and we'll just keep this melody here. We'll keep the fix. Now let's go to the 808 folder. Let's get crazy. I mean, if you haven't got the Unison beatmaker blueprint, come on, man. All right. New MIDI track. Now let's drag this in. All right. Here we go. Here's an idea. I got something. See what that sounds like. Come on now. Come on. Let's duplicate that. Wow. Get rid of that. Let's go. Okay. Let's go ahead and add a rim shot. So, new audio track, and I'm going to go into the rim shots folder. Oof. Let's go. Drag that in there. Just like that. Let's have a listen. Hey, hey. Now let's add some percussion. Let's go get some loops, some hat loops. New audio track, and let's drag that in. Let's go. Hey, hey. That's how easy it is, man. I don't know what to do with my hands. Let's move on to the next beat. Let's go. Third beat and a second bag of gummy bears. Let's go. Melody loops. And we're doing trap. So let's go into the audio loops folder and vibe out. Yeah. Damn. Hey. Man, you can't mess with brass, like horns. Crazy. What? Nah. That sounds so sinister. Let's go. Million stems. And let's grab these stems, throw them in there. Let's go. All right, drum loops. You know how it goes. Trap, combination loops, audio. Let's go. Woo! Oh my God. Hey, hey. Yeah, nah, yeah, no. Yeah, nah. See, I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. But let's get these drops. Drag them in here. Let's go. Yes. Yeah. 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 Oh. Come on, man. All right, I like the section of the beat right at the end. So I'm going to insert some time. And I'm going to steal this part right here. Drag it to the front. Cool. And I'm going to cut this. Cut it. Put it right there, and then I'm going to duplicate this section. Bow, bow. It should sound like this. Yay. Hey. Okay. Let's slide over to hat loops. And actually, you know what? I'm going to duplicate these real quick. Yeah, all right. Let's get some hi-hats. All right. New audio track, and let's drag this in. See what it sounds like. Now let's get some kick loops. Let's try that. New audio track again. Let's slide these kicks in. Put them up there. Let's go. Crazy quality loops. I'm saying, man. I'm saying. Let's find a nice snare we can throw in there. Ooh. That snare is crazy. New audio track. Now let's drag this in. Zoom out, and we're gonna throw that all across. Let's go. Right. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate what we have right here and put it in the section here. So I'm gonna zoom in and take this kick. And we're gonna go bow, bow, bow. And we're gonna keep these hi-hats as well. Ooh. Now let's go to Effects Miscellaneous. And let's get a riser. Okay. Yep. New audio track. And I'm going to cut it right there. So let's bring it back this way. See what it sounds like. Hey. Hey. Okay. Okay. That's how easy it is, man. 100% royalty free, 100% copyright free, hit ready, placement ready. Now if you want all the loops, samples, and midis I used in these beats plus over 9,000 more, click the button below and check out the Unison beatmaker blueprint.